Good day to you. Say something about yourself, please.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Bertie Arnay. I am 35 years old, married, uh, 5'3" in height, 125 pounds. I have 5 children.
Okay, how about your educational attainment, Liberty?
I am college level. I took up BSIE, Bachelor of Science for Education. Let's see,
Okay. How about your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Have you attended any special course or training, Liberty?
Yes, ma'am. I am finished for domestic helper services and dressmaking also.
Liberty, do you have experience working as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am, here in Philippines
For how many years here in the
for
Philippines?
2 years.
For 2 years. Tell us something about your experience as a housekeep here in the Philippines.
I've been work as all around nanny, sana cook, babysitting.
Okay. And how many persons did you serve?
I served 5 persons, including parents and 3 children.
Okay. How old are the children of your employer?
The eldest 9 years old, yeah, second 4 years old, and the youngest 1 year old.
Okay. What are your skills that makes you different from other applicants, Liberty?
The skill that makes difference from the other applicant, I am also a dressmaking.
Okay. Do you love taking care of children?
Yes, ma'am, I love.
Okay. How about newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you cook, Liberty?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you name the dishes that you can cook?
I can cook beef stew, toast salad, and I can cook also some Filipino food.
Are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to operate electronic household appliances?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care of young children or infants?
Yes, ma'am.
How long have you been in babysitting?
2 years.
Are you the one who took care of your children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Liberty, do you know how to sterilize the feeding bottles?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Clean the feeding bottle, put soap and water, rinse thoroughly, and sterilize 10 to 15 minutes.
Can you sing nursery rhyme to the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let them go again. Why did you let them go? Because it beats my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right.
Okay, thank you. Are you willing to look after an elderly or sick person?
Yes, ma'am.
How and what will you do if there are urgent or emergency cases, Liberty?
Do not hesitate to call an emergency hotline and call the parents right away.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Malaysia?
I want to work in Malaysia to help my family and also to send my children and give education in their future. And Malaysia also a progressive country just and close to Philippines.
Okay. And how do you handle your homesickness when you work abroad?
I can handle my homesickness, just focus on the job and enjoy with it.
Are you willing to work with no day off, Liberty?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Would you like to say something to your prospective employers?
Hi, madam. I am Liberty Arnay. I am applying for domestic helper in Malaysia. I can take care of the children. I can cook and housekeeping also. I hope this short message will catch your attention and choose me as your helper. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Liberty, are you willing to finish your 2 years contract with your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very much, Liberty.